Okay, so to use the object eraser in the Samsung Gallery app, first go to the Gallery app and pick a photo that has something you want to clean up and erase. Once you have the photo open, we're going to tap the little pencil icon to edit the photo. From the tools down here, tap those four little dots and choose Object Eraser. It'll quickly scan the photo, and now you can either tap or draw around any objects you want removed. I want to remove this equipment here in the foreground, so I'll sort of drag around it. It'll analyze the content and then highlight the items it recognized. Then I'll just tap Erase, and it removes that from the photo, replacing the area with generated fill that blends in naturally with the rest of the picture. Works surprisingly well, and it's pretty fast too. But of course, the success rate depends on your photo, how complicated the image is, and how much you're trying to clean up. If you're happy with the result, you can continue on. If not, you can go back with the arrow and adjust your selection if needed. Once you're happy, you'll just tap Done, and there's our photo. You can now either revert to the original or save the photo. When it comes to saving, it'll ask if you want to save over the original or keep the original as a separate copy. If you want to keep the original copy, you can tap the More Options menu and choose Save Copy. I don't think I'll need a copy, so I'll just save over the original here. Now, when I go to my gallery, my photo's nice and clean without any clutter. And that's how you use the object eraser on your Samsung phone. Click that like button if this video helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.